Ever tried to cook a feast outdoors and felt like your stove just couldn't keep up? Well, this Riot propane burner promises to unleash some serious heat for all your outdoor culinary adventures. Right out of the box, what immediately strikes you about this 50,000 BTU high-pressure burner is its sheer robustness. It's built like a tank, with a heavy-duty construction and a solid cast iron burner head that just screams durability. You can tell this thing was designed to take a beating and keep on cooking. The frame itself feels incredibly stable, which is crucial when you're dealing with high heat and potentially large pots. Nobody wants a wobbly stove when they're trying to boil a big pot of crawfish or fry up some fish. And speaking of heat, that 50,000 BTU output is no joke. This isn't your average camping stove. It's a powerhouse designed for quick, efficient cooking, delivering a powerful, even flame every single time. Whether you're trying to get water boiling fast or maintain a consistent simmer, the adjustable single burner, paired with that CSA-certified 10-psi regulator, gives you precise control over your flame. It's really neat how easily you can dial in the exact BTU you need for perfect results. Portability is also a big win here. Weighing in at just 11.2 pounds, and with dimensions of 13 by 13.8 by 13 inches, it's surprisingly compact for the power it packs. Tossing it in the back of the truck for a tailgating party, a fishing trip, or even just moving it around the backyard for a cookout is a breeze. The high-quality hose component also deserves a mention. It feels sturdy and ensures consistent gas output, which means worry-free cooking sessions. Plus, the heat protection design and high-temperature coating are thoughtful touches that promise to extend the product's lifespan, ensuring it'll be a reliable companion for many seasons to come. It's clear that Riot had outdoor enthusiasts in mind when they designed this. From backyard gatherings to serious camping or hunting trips, this burner is engineered to enhance your cooking experience. It sets up quickly, performs powerfully, and feels exceptionally durable. You really can cook like a pro with this thing, making those outdoor meals even more enjoyable. So, if you're in the market for a robust, powerful, and reliable single burner that can handle serious outdoor cooking demands, the Riot 50,000 BTU propane burner definitely stands out as a fantastic choice. It's a solid investment for anyone who loves to cook outdoors and needs a dependable heat source.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.